everyone, welcome to Routinehub Tutorials. Today we'll be taking a quick look at Shortcut Assistant Pro. This one is by ProCreations. We'll be sure to link his profile in the description of this video. So some prerequisites for this one is you do need ChatGPT and you do need to be logged in for this shortcut to work. So let's get started. First step is, of course, you press Get Shortcut from the link. You can find the shortcut by going to routinehub.co, search for Shortcut Assistant Pro, or search for ProCreations and look at their gallery of work, and you'll find it right here. Perfect. So let's dive right in. I already have it installed. If I go to my Shortcuts app, it's right there. So let's see, open it up and let's get it running. So Shortcut Assistant Pro. This is a really handy app. I believe it's a great introduction to learning how to make your own shortcuts. If you have an idea and you don't really know what steps to take to develop that shortcut and the actions and automations, this is what you need. This is your shortcut. So let's get started. All you need to do is pick, obviously there's a drop-down menu. You can, various things. You can do anything from creating a new shortcut, generate ideas, names for an existing shortcut, generate a description for an existing shortcut, or as you'll see in a description for a shortcut you're about to create, and all range of things. So for today, let's go with create a new shortcut. And the idea I have, as you see here, it says give a simple summary of what you want your shortcut to do, and Pro AI will give you a step-by-step instruction. So I want to retrieve the weather for next week and populate a notes page with that information. You can skip this or put your Routinehub name. It'll help with the description. I'm going to skip that for now. All right, and we can name it weather to notes. Keep it simple. Okay. So you'll see there it's doing its work. It's currently talking to ChatGPT to retrieve a set of steps for how you can create the shortcut on your own. And as you'll see, it'll give you a complete note text file. And let's see if we want to make our own description, make it ourselves. Weather to notes. Perfect. Beautiful. Look at this. So what Pro AI has done here is it's retrieved a list of steps for you to take to create your weather to notes shortcut, or any shortcut that you can imagine. Usually it should be able to. Now I do want to test the limits of what ChatGPT can do, and maybe you can help me out and give some feedback in the comments of this video. But for now, let's focus on this. As you can see here, it does everything from opening the Shortcuts app, adding actions, configuring weather actions, set repeat count, add action and set repeat loop. It gets pretty technical. Repeat for each day, name your shortcut, test your shortcut, save your shortcut. And down here it says that's it. You've successfully created a weather to notes shortcut. Now you can access it anytime to retrieve weather information for the upcoming week and populate a notes page with that data. Exactly what I asked for. Perfect. Let's go back. So it's a really handy shortcut. I encourage you to explore this, try all the different features on this. Check out ProCreations shortcut page for more really awesome ideas like this for this shortcut. So thanks so much for tuning in to Routinehub Tutorials. We'll see you on the next one, and see ya.